Hello and welcome to the channel. Here's a beginner's guide to real estate. Set clear goals. Define your real estate goals, whether it's buying a home, investing in rental properties, or flipping houses. Determine your budget, desired location, and time frame. Educate yourself. Learn about the real estate market, terminology, and processes. Understand the different types of properties, financing options, legal considerations, and local regulations. Assess your finances. Evaluate your financial situation. Determine your credit score. Calculate your affordability. And consider getting pre-approved for a mortgage if you plan to purchase a property. Build a team. Establish relationships with professionals who can assist you in the real estate journey. This may include real estate agents, lenders, inspectors, appraisers, and attorneys. Research the market. Study the local real estate market. Analyze property prices, trends, and sales history. Look for neighborhoods with potential growth, amenities, and good schools. Create a budget. Set a budget for your real estate venture. Consider all expenses, including purchase costs, repairs, maintenance, property taxes, insurance, and potential vacancies. Find properties. Search for properties that meet your criteria. Use online listings, work with a real estate agent, attend open houses, and explore off-market opportunities. Conduct due diligence. When you find a property, perform thorough due diligence. Inspect the property, review documents, assess potential repair costs, and research its history, title, and zoning restrictions. Financing options. Explore different financing options, such as conventional mortgages, FHA loans, or private financing. Compare interest rates, loan terms, and down payment requirements to find the best fit for your needs. Make an offer. Submit a competitive offer based on market value, property condition, and your budget. Negotiate terms, contingencies, and repairs. Work closely with your real estate agent during this process. Close the deal. Once your offer is accepted, work with your lender, attorney, and other professionals to complete the necessary paperwork, inspections, and any required documentation. Attend the closing to finalize the transaction. Property management. If you're investing in rental properties, learn about property management practices. Understand tenant screening, leases, rent collection, maintenance, and legal obligations as a landlord. Continuous learning. Real estate is a dynamic field. Stay updated on market trends, regulations, and investment strategies. Attend seminars, read books, and network with experienced investors to expand your knowledge. Remember, real estate investing involves risks and requires careful consideration. It's crucial to do your research, seek advice from professionals, and make informed decisions based on your personal circumstances and goals. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.